In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create short visual Substack notes that gain subscribers. This is a clean, step-by-step workflow that walks you through composing a short, image-based note inside Substack so it can reach new readers and encourage them to subscribe. Follow along carefully and complete each action exactly as described. Let's begin with the first step, which is opening Substack and getting to the home feed. Open your browser and head over to substack.com. Once the site loads, sign in if you are not already signed in. Now take a moment to confirm that the home feed is visible on the screen. This is the main feed view where notes from people you follow are displayed, and it is the right starting point for creating your own note. Now we will move on to starting a new note. Look at the left sidebar of the Substack interface. You will see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click Create. A small drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that drop-down menu, select the option labeled Note. After you click Note, the Notes Composer will open on the screen. Confirm that the composer has appeared and that you can see the empty text area where your note will be written. Next, we are going to write a short subscriber-focused note. Click inside the main text area of the Notes Composer so your cursor is active and ready for typing. Now type a concise note that focuses on one clear idea and include a soft invitation for readers to subscribe for more. Keep it short, keep it focused, and make sure the subscribe invitation feels natural rather than pushy. Take your time as you type, since the goal here is one strong idea delivered cleanly. Once your note text is written, we are going to format the opening line for emphasis. Use your cursor to highlight the first sentence in the composer. Click and drag from the beginning of that first sentence to the end of it, so the entire sentence is selected. When you highlight text inside the composer, a floating formatting toolbar will appear just above or below your selection. On that floating formatting toolbar, click the bold option. The first sentence will now appear in bold, which helps it stand out as the hook of your note. Now we will add the visual image that will make your note stand out in the feed. Look toward the bottom area of the Notes Composer. You will see a small image icon there. Click the image icon. A file picker window will open on your computer, letting you browse through your folders. Navigate to the location where your image file is saved and select the image file you want to attach to this note. With the image selected, click the Open button in the file picker. The file picker will close and Substack will begin uploading your image. Wait patiently until the image preview appears inside the Note Composer. Do not rush ahead, because the upload needs to complete before you can publish. We are now ready to publish the visual note. First, take a quick look at the composer and confirm that it shows both your image and your short note text together. Make sure nothing is missing and that the bold first sentence is still in place. When everything looks correct, click the Post button in the Notes Composer. Substack will process the note, close the composer, and return you to the feed. Wait for that transition to finish on its own. Once you're back on the feed, scroll if needed, and confirm that your new visual note has appeared. It should display the image you uploaded, the short text you wrote, and the usual interaction options, which include like, reply, and restack actions just below the note. And that is the full result. Your Substack note is now public, visually distinct, and built around one easy-to-read idea, plus a clear reason to subscribe for more. It can appear in the Substack network, on your profile, and in subscriber activity feeds. Later on, Substack's note stats can show you engagement and subscriber impact from this note.